back to us assets. Here we are actually doing the remainder of the fence panels. We had to steal a piece of wood for that corner panel over on the big fence panels to go around the concrete. So I'm going to cut another piece. That's what that funny long bit is there. But each one of these is the fence panel up right side of the fence panel, and that's the gravel boards. There's only 5 panels here. It's a lot of wood for 5 panels, isn't it? And there's another 5 upright, these tops and bottoms. So another 5 sets of those, and the remainder over there, which is that one there. Right, forgive the socks and shorts. I am so hot today, it's horrible. And they, I believe, are the fence posts this time. So that should be fun because they're really twisted. Always good. Anyway, and this fence is going along there, behind that tree, and is going to meet up over there with the big fence panel. Now, these, I don't know why he's got these, they're just a little bit of history. You remember cows used to have a hover port? These are the windows off of the hovercrafts. There's a good bit of collection going on there. It's really cool. They're really thick too. Probably bulletproof. Right, so 4 of those, 2 of those, 1 of those each panel, and then a post on the side when we get those in the ground. I'm routing out the tops and bottoms to accept the gravel board and the fence panel, and we get on that now. Bases and tops are drilled. All of the bases are drilled for the gravel boards, and all of the side pieces are drilled to mount to the fence posts. It's a lot of drilling and countersinking. It's always fun. There we go. These are our fence panels. These were full size like the original ones that we did, and we've just cut them in half and removed the middle plank. And as you can see, they've got a little rebate in them and 2 center pieces, and we're going to just get a bit of batten and create shorter panels, and these are for going just across this little garden here and underneath the tree around there, and all the way along the other side up to the other end. But we'll get to that bit when we get there. We're just trying to sort out this side at the moment because there's a bit of a mess at the end of our tool panels with the wire, and we just need to get rid and put some nice fence up. Should be good. Right, that's the full panels I'm making up today. And I'm going to make another one up over there, size. And need one. And tons more to do over there, but that's for another fence. We're not worried about that just yet. We're actually doing that fence over there on the tree. And there's our 2 half panels. inch over half in total, so half inch each, because of the overlap. So we go half height threes, obviously with a gravel board as well, they'll be 3 foot 6 inches roughly. Yeah, nice and tidy. I mean, continue the pattern on with these as well. It's always good. Now I've just got to get through this mess and start building some panels. Always fun.